Have you ever seen a warning light on your dashboard and wondered what it meant? We've all been there. That little light is your car trying to tell you something. Luckily, you don't need to be a mechanic to understand it. An OBD2 scanner acts like a translator for your car. It can help you understand these warnings and keep your car running smoothly. These scanners are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They give you the power to take control of your car's health. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car novice, understanding your car's language is easier than you think. Let's get down to the basics. What exactly is an OBD2 scanner? It's a small electronic device that plugs into a port under your dashboard. This port, usually located on the driver's side, is called the OBD2 port. It constantly collects information about your engine's performance, emissions, and other vital systems. When the check engine light illuminates, a trouble code is stored in the car's computer. An OBD2 scanner reads these codes and translates them into plain English. Some scanners can also provide live data, graph sensor readings, and even help you perform advanced diagnostics. Understanding how these scanners work is the first step to choosing the right one for you. In the next sections, we'll explore the different types of OBD2 scanners and what they can do. The simplest and most affordable type of OBD2 scanner is the basic code reader. These pocket-sized devices are perfect for beginners or anyone who wants a quick and easy way to check engine codes. Basic code readers do exactly what their name suggests. They read and display the trouble code stored in your car's computer. This code gives you a general idea of what might be wrong with your car. Armed with this information, you can then decide whether to investigate further or take your car to a mechanic. While basic code readers are great for simple diagnostics, they do have limitations. They offer a glimpse into your car's health and can help you catch small problems before they become big ones. For car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics, a DIY scan tool offers a step up from basic code readers. These scanners provide more detailed information and features, making them ideal for those who want to delve deeper into their car's diagnostics. In addition to reading and clearing codes, DIY scan tools often include features like live data stream, view real-time data from your car's sensors. Freeze frame data, capture a snapshot of your car's sensor readings at the moment a fault code was stored. Component testing, perform basic component tests to help pinpoint problems. With these capabilities, DIY scan tools empower home mechanics to diagnose and address a wider range of car problems. They can help you troubleshoot issues, monitor your car's performance, and even perform some basic repairs yourself. Despite some limitations, DIY scan tools offer a great balance of functionality and affordability for home mechanics. At the top of the OBD2 scanner hierarchy are professional scan tools. These sophisticated devices are the tools of choice for professional mechanics and serious car enthusiasts. They offer a comprehensive suite of features and capabilities designed for in-depth diagnostics and troubleshooting. Professional scan tools often include advanced coding and programming, bi-directional control, extensive vehicle coverage, and regular software updates. These advanced capabilities make professional scan tools indispensable for professional mechanics. However, this level of functionality comes at a cost. Professional scan tools are significantly more expensive than basic or DIY scanners. For those who demand the best and want the ability to perform advanced diagnostics and repairs, professional scan tools are worth considering. Now that you understand the different types of OBD2 scanners available, you might be wondering how to choose the right one for your needs. To simplify the process, consider these key factors. Compatibility. Ensure the scanner you choose is compatible with your car's make, model, and year. Functionality. Think about what you want to use the scanner for. Ease of use. Consider your comfort level with technology. Price. Set a budget beforehand and choose a scanner that offers the best value for your needs. By carefully considering these factors, you can narrow down your choices and find the OBD2 scanner that best suits your requirements and budget. Whether you're a casual car owner or a DIY mechanic, there's a scanner out there for you. An OBD2 scanner is an invaluable tool for any car owner. It's like having a window into your car's health, allowing you to understand what's going on under the hood. Whether you choose a basic code reader for simple diagnostics or a professional-grade scanner for advanced troubleshooting, you're taking a proactive step towards maintaining your vehicle. The benefits of owning an OBD2 scanner are numerous. It can save you money on costly repairs by catching problems early and empower you to make informed decisions about your car's maintenance. Remember, your car is a complex machine, and even with regular maintenance, problems can arise. An OBD2 scanner can be your trusted companion, helping you navigate the world of car repairs and keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come. So invest in an OBD socket scanner today and take control of your car's health.